Hey, I'm still Carl, this is still Tom.
That's right.
And I want to show you a technique that we can use using the Lightboard to help students learn. You ready?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, so what I like to do is I'll put on some questions and I'll leave some blanks. And then I want the students to think about it and work it out first and then come back. So what I'll do is I'll put them on there and then I'll say, okay, press pause now, work it out, and then unpause it when you're ready to talk about it. So you want to give that a try?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so let's snap our fingers and then we'll the questions will magically appear.
Sure.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, so I got 3 questions here.
Yeah, it looks like you drew a blank.
I did. So now, for the people at home, I'll say, hey, I want you to try these, so why don't you press pause, work these out, and then after you've got answers, we'll have something to talk about. So I'll get out of the way so they can actually see it. And then they can press pause right now. All right, so here we are. The answers are here, so you can check these against the ones you wrote down while you pressed pause, and I hope you did press pause. So now we look at 7 plus 2 equals 9, and if I wanted to explain that further, I could go over here and I could draw 7. How many is that? 6, 7. And I'm going to add 2. And I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ah, 7 plus 2 equals 9. Then I could explain this further, and I could explain that further. And now we can use the pause button as a useful tool to get people to think about stuff before we blather on like we always do.
Great. Cool. It gives me a chance to learn before you explain it.
Yeah? Cool.
Me being a student.
You can use a whiteboard.
You can use Lightboard.
Mm-hmm.